What's going on, guys? A real moto vlog today. I don't know if the whole moto vlog will be this specific video, but my good buddy Zach, my best friend, really, my other half, my bromance, whatever you want to call it. His stuff got settled through the dealership, and he's on his way to go pick up his brand new bike. My buddy Zach's a supermoto guy by nature, dirt bike guy, but he's going in the mix back to his roots. He's got a newer MT-09, which are great bikes. I'm just excited to have a racing friend, or a riding buddy. Not even a racing friend, just a riding buddy. So we're on our way to go hang out with him and get his new bike. So I'm trying some different jeans. These jeans are way better. Oh my god. Awesome. I've ridden in a fucking day. So it's funny, like, to not ride and then get on and be like, wow, I feel so nimble. I feel so free. Well, it's like, yeah, because you haven't ridden in a day. My muscles are still cheeching. They're not blown out yet. So it's not too hot out today. It's 82, max of 82, maybe 84. I don't know, I haven't really looked at the weather, but I'm not dying out here. When I filmed that video in Horsetooth, oof, that was rough. That was rough. It was hot that day. It was almost 100 degrees, and just the constant mountain riding, the bike was getting hot and I was hot, and it was not a good time. I mean, well, it was a good time, but it wasn't 80 degrees good time.
A few moments later.
I gotta get over without fucking killing myself.
Now a question of etiquette. As I pass, do I give you the ass or the crotch?
The luxuries of a bike, man. Yeah, let's go.
Must be an on button somewhere. Press the Apple thing.
Let's take off like a dirty shirt. My fucking mirrors. Take your time, man. Go slow. Got no rush. Follow me. Why me? What? Oh, got... Alright. 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 Hold on, let me get my pan fixed. Hold on. Hold on. Make sure my wallet's good. Make sure I'm all good. Sheesh. Alright, let's go. Alrighty, I guess we'll just take a left up here. Do you want to stay rural, or do you want to get like inner city time? Okay. All right. Let's head into town. We'll take a left here. Let me know if I'm going too quick. Oh shit. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, that's right. I know what we're gonna do. We'll go check out that place in Wellington. We'll get a taco at Taco John's. We'll head this way and we'll cut down and cut through Timberline or whatever. Fucking hill. Fucking hill. Sheesh. I see you, Dodge Ram. You just wait there, cowboy. Oh, son.
You ain't no cowboy, old son.
You lie back there. He cut you off? Oh, I can't hear you. What? We're gonna take a ride at the light. Hey, pull over for a second. I feel like you're white. Is there an inner headset mic for you or what? That's like loose because it keeps breaking up. Is it? Okay. Oh, okay. Do you have a lot? Do you have a lot for me? Oh, okay. Okay. Well, don't fucking heat cat on me. All right. Hey, you ready? Oh, jeez. Are we good? We're good. I think it's just the distance. My antenna was down. Hey guys, it's good. That fixed it. Now I look like fucking Obi-Wan. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Get all the way. Let's go away. Yeah. Sorry, I'm bad at signals. Shit, smooth. Hey, yeah, I'll tell you what though, if you don't mean you're shifting, if you don't actually like give it a full stroke, it'll find neutral on you all the time and it's fucking loud. All of a sudden I'm rapping it out and it's fucking angry and I'm sorry. Yeah, fucking Machine Gun Kelly. get you an exhaust, man. Yeah, I know. That's the same thing with me. I don't look at the tack very much at all. Actually, it took me a minute for this bike because I had to get used to the fucking, to get used to the sound it made at range. Little bump over there. Ooh, goody hole punch. Ooh. Well, everybody likes a little fucking goody hole tickle. Alright, Papa John's. Whatever you are. I'll call Discovery Delivered. Wait, what? Wait, what? Pull up with me and we'll go off together.
Because you guys are in a steady relationship and love each other forever.
I use my legs to hold my body and engage my abs and try to keep my elbows dangling. That tends to be the way. So we're gonna take a left here, right here, where this lady's fucking taking a left. All right, Karen, get out of my life. I'm gonna fucking yellow it. Whoa, let's go. Box truck man ain't coming anytime soon. Hell no. I hear that bike kicking on, bro. I hear that, boy. No, not at all, man. Those things are quick. I was watching some videos of... Do you need to stop and get gas? You want to stop? You want to... Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, you got bar? Wait, yours says bars, yo? What the fuck? Mine just gives you a light after a while. It's like, yo, bro, I'm thirsty. It's like, hey, you better get some of that fuel, bro. You'll be sitting on the side of the road using them Chevrolet legs. Shit, sex juice. We get 2 doll hairs.
We do 2 doll hairs on 3, please.
2 doll hairs?
2 doll hairs. Thank you very much.
I'll pump 3. Give me some $2. What's up, ladies and gentle tips? All right. Where's the Taco John? Because well, apparently there is. I think it's back here on the right. I saw a bike. I think that's gonna follow him. Come back, fellow biker friend.
Oh, car friend.
I feel like you know where we're going. More than I know where we're going. Sorry, Ford. Little grandy shift. Blap, blap, blap. I don't know if that's the same place we're going. Oh, yep, that's it. That's where she be. I thought I'd come look at some cheap little, look at some of these cars and see what they got, you know. Sheesh. Now these are fucking pretty legit. I'll pull over for a second. We'll park somewhere not next to all the NASCAR cars and I know. I was just looking at that. I'll go around them. Pull over, park this bitch. Sounds good to me. Oh, my old knees, bro. Oh.
Yep, I will.
Whoa, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
There you are, Dad.
Dad!
Getting old. Oh, shit, found neutral at first. Backing up, backing up. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, let me pull forward because I don't want to take all the spots, you know what I mean? I'm going to try to be courteous. We could share a spot.